This is the FLECTR 360 Twin. 8 years of our experience in bike safety went into this brand new bike wheel reflector, the essence of all our previous developments. The FLECTR Twin is a rim reflector with 360-degree visibility. No matter from which side a car headlight may hit you, the driver's attention will be attracted by the Twin's rotating light patterns and help you to master any dangerous traffic situation in the dark. The two-piece Twin design completely wraps your rim and guarantees a gap-free 360-degree reflection. This multi-directional back beam increases your visibility and gives you the safety you need, no matter from which direction a car headlight hits you.
Hi bikers! It's been 8 years now since we started a whole new way of designing wheel reflectors. Away from these heavy, clunky plastic parts towards high-tech film-based ultralight wheel reflectors that neither affect the aerodynamic performances nor the weight of your wheels. To celebrate our 8th brand anniversary, we have now developed a brand new reflector for you, the FLECTR 360 Twin. And I'm happy to announce that the Twin is the most powerful wheel reflector on the market today. Thanks to its all-around reflection, it doesn't matter from which side the car headlight hits you. With the Twin, no motorist will ever overlook you in the dark again. Behind me, you can see Tim on his bike. Well, actually, you can hardly see him at all. But now let me show you what happens when a car light hits his bike. The Twin is made of optimized, high-grade microprismatic film. And thanks to its three-dimensional flexibility, it fits any conceivable rim shape. The Twin spans the rim from both sides across the rim arc. This trademark design guarantees an optimized reflective surface and a unique 360-degree visibility. Of course, the Twin fits also perfectly with caliper brake wheels.
The FLECTR 360 Twin perfectly fits the shape of your rim and gives your bike an extraordinary and stylish look. Due to its sealed surface, the Twin is dirt repellent and resistant to mechanical influences. The wafer-thin material is nearly weightless and has no influence on the aerodynamic performance of your wheel. Its elongated shape makes you visible with a breathtaking shine. All around, no compromises. The new FLECTR Twin, to protect you in the darkness.